Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and we are back with one more interesting topic today. But before that, let me thank you each and everyone who are watching my videos from the first and supporting me. This means a lot to me, and if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do encourage me. And we are back with one more super interesting topic for today, and I am super excited about this video because this is something which is different. Now that maternity shoots became quite common in India, so I thought why not I make a video on maternity shoot dress guide. Yes guys, today's video is all about maternity shoot dress guide. Definitely you will get to know many things in this video, so please don't skip the video. So please do watch the entire video. This would definitely help you. If you are someone who is going to be a mom soon, then this video will definitely help you. Or if you know someone in your friends or in your family who is going to be a mom soon, then please share this video with them, because in this video we are going to talk a lot about how to pick a perfect maternity shoot dress. This is going to be super interesting guys, trust me. So without any delay, let's get into video. As we all know now that maternity shoots or pre-wedding shoots or post-wedding shoots, all the shoots became very quite common in India because we want each and every moment to be memorable. So we want to cherish each and every special phase of our life. So we are planning all the shoots. So definitely you should take some extra care on the outfits which you are going to pick for this particular shoots. Coming to maternity shoot pictures, guys, I'm telling you, consider investing in good maternity pictures, because pictures are something which will stay with you for your lifetime, because it is a very memorable phase of your life and it is a very special phase of your life where you are bringing a new life to this world. If I say very good pictures, I don't mean that consider investing some lavish outdoor pictures. What are the budget you are comfortable with, where are the location you are comfortable with, please do make sure you are planning it correctly. Make sure you are looking beautiful with whatever you have, because I don't want my subscribers to see their maternity pictures after a decade and regret about it. So here I am to give few tips on how to look beautiful on your maternity shoot day. Girls, there are many factors which I'm going to talk now, but the first and foremost thing which is very important for you to look beautiful on your maternity shoot is fabric. Yes, the fabric which you are going to pick for your maternity shoot outfit is the heart of your shoot, because if you go wrong in picking this fabric, the whole point of your shoot is wasted. Trust me, this is such an important factor. I see many people go wrong here. The fabric which you are going to pick for your maternity shoot dress should be falling fabric. Yes, the fabric should be very falling and the fabric should be very smooth, because maternity shoot is all about accentuating your curves, accentuating your belly bump. So the fabric which you are going to pick should be smooth and falling, so that will accentuate the curve, that will accentuate your belly bump. Girls, if you pick a stiff fabric, the stiff fabric will stand out, it will cover the belly bump and it will not show the belly bump at all. The whole point of doing a maternity shoot is going to be wasted. So make sure you are picking a falling fabric for your maternity shoot dress. And the next factor we are going to talk about is color. Yes girls, color is very important, not only in maternity shoot, whatever the shoot is, the color is very important, right? Whatever the shoot is, the color should be picked based on your background. You will have a prior idea about your background, the location where you are going to shoot. So what you have to do is you have to pick the color which goes with the background. Coming to the maternity shoot location, my suggestion is that pick some dreamy kind of location. Means the location which is having more of white tones, more of gold tones, more of blue tones. It makes the location look dreamy. A dreamy kind of location makes your pictures very soothing and make your pictures so pleasant. And coming to the color of the outfit, I personally like a very light colors for the maternity shoot dress. You can use bright colors as well, but I personally prefer light colors or pastel colors more than bright colors. So try picking for light colors, means which are cool colors or cooler tones of warm colors, So try picking your outfit from those colors. You can also go for warm colors, guys. There is no rule of thumbs that you should only go for light colors and not bright. You can absolutely go for bright colors, but this is my perspective. If you are someone who likes bright colors, then definitely you can go for bright colors. And if you don't know what are cool colors or warm colors, I have made a video on colors earlier. I will list them down in the description box below, so please go and watch it out. And one more important thing about colors you have to make sure is the number of colors in your outfit. I recommend the color to be 1. Go for single solid color in the entire outfit. If not, go for a maximum of 2 colors, but not beyond that. Please don't make some color blocking on your outfit. No, because that would distract the eye. Go for 1 solid color which is beautiful, and that itself is enough. After the fabric and color, the next important thing is accessories. Yes, girls, accessories is one more important thing that you should take care of. I personally recommend going for very minimalistic earrings and a very minimalistic neck piece. And you can exclude your neck piece also. You can go with bare neck. Even bare neck is fashion. So what happens if you overdo yourself is, girls, you're diverting the eyes from your belly bump. The whole point of the shoot is to flaunt your belly bump. It's not to flaunt your earrings, it's not to flaunt your neck piece or anything else. So just make sure that you're not overdoing yourself, you're not diverting the eyes from your belly bump. Your shoot is in summer, go for some cute hat, or if your shoot is in winter, go for some knitted kind of jacket or something like that. One important accessory for the maternity shoot is belt. Belt is very important because belt will accentuate your belly bump. But again, it depends upon the silhouette. If you are going for some bodycon dress, you may not require a belt. But if you are going for some loose kind of maxi kind of dress, so definitely belt is something which you require. And the next factor is the silhouette. The most popular silhouette for the maternity shoot dress is maxi dresses. The long flowy maxi dresses, the long flowy gowns are something which are highly recommended for a maternity shoot dress. You can also go for some knee-length dresses. Also, you can go for some bodycon dresses. If you want all the curves of your body to be revealing, you can absolutely go for bodycon dresses. Or if you want your body to be less revealing, if you want only the belly bump to be revealed, you can go for some maxi dresses, and don't forget to add a belt. And the next important thing is the textures of your dress. Yes, no heavy textures, no heavy embroideries, no heavy embellishments, no heavy prints. Please don't go for all those. You can go for a solid plain colored dress. This is something which is very good about maternity shoot, because you just keep your outfit so simple, and even though you look beautiful. You can go for something which is lace kind of dress, which is not too heavy. Coming to the next important factor, which is makeup. Don't go for heavy makeup. Just keep it less. Keep it less. That's what I can say. Don't go for some dramatic eyes or some eye makeup or pop color in lips. Don't go for all those. Just keep the makeup very natural. I can say that go for some nude colors, and I can say that go for some no makeup looks which are very natural, whether it be in your lip shades, whether it be in your eyeshadows, whether it be in your blush. Just go for some matching skin tone colors so that it will give you a natural look. And yeah, that's it. Please don't do much makeup, because if you do heavy makeup, what happens is your eyes will be highlighted, your lips will be highlighted, you'll be absolutely looking good, but the focus will not be on your belly bump. Then there's no point in doing the shoot, because there are many shoots in your life where you can elevate your eyes, where you can elevate your lips, but maternity shoot is not for that. Maternity shoot is for flaunting your belly bumps. Don't overdo yourself and don't divert the eyes from your belly bump. That's what I say. And coming to the hairdo, I would say, since you are going for very natural makeup and very minimalistic earrings, I would say you can do a little 10% extra on your hair. Go for something which is messy, because messy is something which makes you look even more natural. So go for some messy kind of bun or messy kind of braids, something which is messy kind of pony, which makes you look even more natural. But make sure you're not overdoing your braid. And the last factor, which is least considered by many people but a very important thing, is the partner in your shoot. It is quite common to add someone in your shoot, whether it be your partner or whether it be your elder kids. You make sure their outfit is going with the frame, make sure their outfit is going with your outfit. Their outfit should not be like an odd man out from the frame. Since you are taking care about the frame, your outfit, your accessories, your makeup and everything, and the small factor of ignoring your partner's outfit will make your pictures very bad. The main thing is that you should be highlighted in the frame and they should just compliment you in the frame. And that's it, guys. We are done. Right from the fabric to the partner in the shoot, I think I have covered all the factors. I hope this video is interesting for you and hope this video is little helpful for you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll be back with one more interesting video. Until then, please take care. Bye.